What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making tachos. We hope y'all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need tater tots, ground beef, queso, taco seasoning, red onion, diced jalapeños, sliced jalapeños, sour cream, evaporated milk, seasoned oil, cayenne pepper, black pepper, parsley, garlic powder, and onion powder. We're going to start by dicing a half a red onion. Cut queso in cubes. In a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add ground beef and chop it up as it cooks. Season with seasoned oil, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Add taco seasoning. Add 2/3 cups of water. In a pot, add in your cubed queso. Add 1 can of evaporated milk. Add a half cup of diced jalapeños. Let your cheese simmer while constantly stirring for 5 to 7 minutes. Fry your tots until golden brown, or follow the instructions on your package. Now it's time to build your tachos. Add tater tots. Add ground beef. Add queso and repeat. Add jalapeños. Top with sour cream. And there you have it, tachos. Once again, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.